Hey guys! Today I have a very exciting video to share with you guys. This is one of my favorite videos to watch on YouTube. It's the Shopmissa haul, and I finally got my hands on one of these huge bags. And I'm so excited. I already cut open the top, but I haven't actually looked inside, and I'm pretty surprised that it came so well packaged and like so much bubble wrap. And this is shipping internationally, and I'm so excited because we don't have like a Dollarama or Dollar Tree here in Singapore, so there's basically no way we can get any of this. So getting all this for USD $1 each is incredible. So it comes with a packing list and then this entire thing all wrapped up. So I'm gonna start cutting this open. So there was bubble wrap, tissue, and then this wrap, and this is everything, and I'm so excited because I not only got stuff for myself, I also got some stuff for you guys. And okay okay, let us start. This is like the thing that I was most excited for. This is their diamond lip gloss, and I got mine in the shade Posh, and this is how it looks like. So I'm gonna open it up and give you guys a swatch. This is from the brand AOA Studio, which, if I'm not wrong, is the Shopmissa own line. And no smell, which is good. And oh my god, it's so glittery. It's so pretty. So I'm gonna give you a heavy swatch so that you can see it. And for $1, this is a very generous tube size. Can you see? Can you see the shimmer over there? This is how it looks like. This is one of their most popular items on their website, and I didn't know if I would actually like shimmery lip gloss, but I love it. I'm so glad that I got this. So this is the first item, and then this is the next item. This is from also AOA Studio. It's their Wonder Blender, and this is the Paw Paw line, which means that instead of $1, this is $1.55. But I think it's worth it because part of it goes to a charity for animals, I think. So, and I've also seen YouTube videos on this, and it's apparently very soft. It's really soft, and it's not even soaked yet. You can see how soft it is. So cute! Okay, I can't wait to use this, and I really like that it went to a good cause. And I also got another one of it, so this is going to you guys along with some other stuff. So I'm gonna put this aside for you guys. Also from AOA Studio, this is the #1 ranking sponge on their site, so I decided to try it out. This is the Wonder Blender, and it's a black blender, so I'm really excited to try it because it's apparently like highly raved. It is also soft, maybe slightly less soft than the Pom Pom one, but still really soft. And this is a teardrop shape, I'm pretty sure. So I got 2 sets of brushes, and one set is for you guys, and I got you guys the 12-piece set. It's from AOA Studio, and it's their PM set. So I'm gonna open it up. I'm not really going to touch it that much. Just want to touch the brush a little bit and see if it's soft. So this is how it looks like. There's so much brushes in here, and oh wow, it's really soft. For $1 a brush, it's really soft. So this is going to you guys, all of this here. So in this set that you guys are getting, these are the bigger brushes. And I'm gonna show you guys, there's also so many of this like smaller detail work. Good if you're a beginner, you want to start on eyeshadow. Basically there's blending brushes, there's detail brushes. It's all covered. And there's even brushes for your eyebrows. So the other brush set that I got for myself from AOA Studio, this is a new brush set. It's the high definition brush set, and there's 10 pieces in it. And because it's a newer item on their site, so I really wanted to try it out. It comes with a really nice leather brush roll, and you can open it up. So this is how it looks like on the inside. This brush roll is really good for traveling. I'm definitely going to be using the brush roll when I'm traveling. It comes with 5 bigger face brushes, and it also comes with 5 other blending smaller brushes. There's a lot of blending brushes, which is what I lack in, and they're all really soft. They are shorter bristles compared to the brush set that you guys are getting, but they are as soft as the other one. And I'm really excited to try this out. So the next thing that I got is a keychain, and this is a Pom Pom Keychain, and it comes with cherries over here, and it's really well made. It isn't shedding and it's soft. I'm surprised that this only costs $1. It's so cute. And it also comes with 2 different kind of hooks for you. I also got fuzzy socks because I'm going to Korea, and this says soft and cozy. Maybe the softest socks in the world. It's really soft. Wow, the quality is really a lot better than what I expected, and everything is only $1. I got some accessories, and this is a bunny ear hairband, and I got mine in a violet purple shade, and it comes with wire in the bunny ears so you can adjust it. I'm just going to put this on. Okay, so I also got some more hair accessories, and this is a set of 3 hair clips, and they are pretty decent size, and they are good quality hair clips. It comes with 3 different colors, a transparent one, a brown one, and a black one. And this is also part of the giveaway for you guys. So this is going to one of you guys. And I also got the eyebrow scissors, and this is only $1. I'm not going to open it up because this is going to you guys. It's from the brand AOA Studio. From the brand Sylvie, I got a dual pencil sharpener. So it's a pink color sharpener. It comes with a bigger hole and a smaller hole. So if you have like the NYX jumbo pencil, you need the bigger hole to sharpen it. So this is also going to you guys. Another thing that I got for the giveaway is a keychain, but it's a keychain coin pouch. And I think this is really good for traveling. And it's in a metallic silver color, super cute. This is going to the giveaway. And then some more accessories. I got this pair of hooks for myself, and they come with so many different sizes for only $1. It comes with 4 pairs, 4 different sizes. On the website, it looks like smaller sizes, like tiny little hoops, but now that I see it in real life, it's actually a lot bigger than what I expected. So some of it is like flat surface, and some of it is thinner, and some of it is thicker. So they do give you a really good variety of hoops, and this is only $1. It does sound a little bit cheapy, like it's not heavy, so it won't weigh down your ear, so that's also good. And then I got this, which is, I was really excited for this too. This is the powder. If it would just come out. This is the AOA Studio Perfect Setting Powder. They have many different shades. I got mine in the shade Banana. Banana was the most popular shade over there. So this is the banana powder, and it's a lot darker than I expected. So let's hope that it can actually blend well into the skin. Gonna put it here. Oh wow. Oh, it's really soft, and it does blend well. Can you see it? Does it look brighter? It doesn't look like it's too dark, right? Okay, I'm gonna try this out. $1 for a powder. Yeah, I think it really blends well into the skin. The last thing that I got is also for the giveaway. It's a 2-piece neutral headband set. It comes with 2 colors, one black and one brown. So it's basic, but it will match whatever color clothing you're wearing. And on the website, it looked like it was a silky material, so I was hoping that it wouldn't pull on our hair. So I hope that you guys will like this. And update on the lip gloss. My hair hasn't been sticking to it, so I really do like it a lot. I'm super happy with everything, and if you want to see more reviews on the brushes, the sponges, or just follow-up reviews on the powders and how everything else worked for me, I will definitely be coming back with reviews on everything. And do stay tuned, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys!